Attending SEMA Show 2021 as Hhwheels was an experience like no other. This event brings the automotive industry together to showcase builds and innovative products. Here are some of the coolest things at SEMA 2021.
My name's Kevin Erickson. I have a 72 Plymouth Satellite that I call ELECTROLITE. It's a Tesla swapped Plymouth. All the Tesla components came out of a P100D. So it's a 100 kilowatt hour battery pack, the biggest Tesla pack you can get. The motor was out of a ludicrous car, so it's the large sport motor. And then I have an aftermarket controller that turns it up a little more than Tesla did. So we're looking at a little over 600 horsepower, but I only used the rear motor because I wanted to keep it true to a classic muscle car. Rear drive, no traction control, brute force, all those things. I wanted it to look like a muscle car. It handles unbelievably well. And the reason is the weight of the car. Even though it's a little heavier than a big block car would have been at 4,350 pounds, I've got 55% of that weight in the rear. So the weight balance gives you some of that sports car nimbleness, which you wouldn't expect out of a big car.
Front row, quarter four. I was ready from the time that I stepped in the door. Blood rush, sweat pours, crowd screams, I'm ready for some more.
I have found my new dream vehicle. It's a 2022 Hummer EV. This thing is insane. Fully decked out, any and every option you could get in this car. It's killer. They are booked all the way up, pre-reserved till 2024, but they're starting to ship out the first trucks at the end of this year of 2021. They are killer. Now I have a new goal to work towards. Maybe something to tow the Speedle with?
One of the many highlights was getting the opportunity to meet some of our favorite people.
Hi, I'm Scott, president of Antigravity Batteries. I have the world's first battery with built-in wireless jump starting. And how this battery works is if you discharge it by leaving your lights on or your stereo on, this battery will intelligently monitor its voltage, and at the point where it's just about dead, it will shut itself down, put itself to sleep, and then save enough reserve energy to jump start the vehicle again. We also do some deep cycle batteries, and we have some innovative features on those, such as built-in self-heating. We have a Bluetooth monitoring app that'll tell you the state of charge, the current that is discharged from the battery, the current that's coming in from the charging. It's a battery that will never leave you stranded.
So this is Travis Farmer, and he is here at SEMA, and he is a South Carolina boy. Hey. And he has brought his Skyjacker equipped 1985 van. It's four-wheel drive. It has got all the goods on it. You've been hooked up with the Skyjacker guys for how long?
I've known them several years. I've got a Jeep that I built before and met them many times over at Eastern Jeep Safari in Utah. I had the privilege of riding with them several different places over the years.
They knew exactly what you needed right off the bat. They knew the weight, springs, everything. Skyjacker suspension is the way to go when you're doing one of these rigs. She just met Christy Lee.
Go Hhwheels!
The accessibility of electric motors was a common theme amongst the major manufacturers and independent builders this year.
For me, I'm taking the big block 632 over an EV any day. Guys got to get a pic with Derek from Vice Grip Garage.
Day 2.
You gonna go for a ride in one of those Mustangs today?
Oh yeah.
You gonna wait in line for that?
Oh no.
Caroline and I were walking around checking out all the cool SEMA stuff, and we ran into one of the coolest overland guys, Marco.
Hi, my name is Marco from OVRLNDX. This is my rig. This is a 2021 JL Wrangler with a 392 engine, which is a 6.4 liter Hemi engine. On a TerraFlex CT3 suspension, it's a 4-inch lift. I'm on 35-inch tires, Milestar tires. I got the KC highlights all around. I got the Pro 6 bar, ARB Bundy Deluxe bumper, and I also have the James Baroud Falcon awning, which is a 270-degree awning with the tunnel system. The underbelly protection is made by Next Venture. It's a full aluminum plate underneath. I do have a 50-quart fridge on the Jeep, and I'm pulling a Patriot Campers X2 off-road trailer, which has the kitchen. Going outdoors camping, you know, you have to eat. And I don't believe that just regular hot dogs, it's camp food. I decided to start making complete recipes at camp, but make it kind of easy to do with the limited resources that we have when we go camping. And I decided to write a cookbook. If you go to OVRLNDX on YouTube, you can watch my videos and get the recipes that I have on those videos.
As many of you know, I'm a huge advocate for Cerakote because I just love their coatings so much. They offer awesome shade range to fit exactly what you're looking for. And the cool thing is, all the coatings are tailored to exactly what your project could need. We're here in Central Hall, going to meet with some awesome companies, brands, and even people. It's a crazy day. There's a lot more people here. Let's see how it goes.
This is our dream trailer.
Very much so. Being a Volkswagen girl, you can probably guess that the Ampy booth here at SEMA 2021 is one of my top faves. I'm here checking out the Wilwood disc brakes because the Speedle is in dire need of an upgrade. Ampy offers a wide variety of all kinds of products and parts to fit all of your Volkswagen needs, including heads, cranks, and even connecting rods.
My name is Mitch Helverson. I'm with Rapid Air Products. This is our Maxline M7500 3/4-inch kit. It's going to come with 100 feet of tubing, 3 outlets, 2 T's, 2 bags of clips, and the tools that you need to install it. Very easy to install in your own garage. Most basic compressors, we could probably handle up to a 25 horsepower compressor with this system. Anybody from a home shop and to a larger, like a farm shop. Also have a bunch of accessories that we can sell with it. This kit's very affordable here, so a lot of distributors online carry it. You can also buy it direct from us at rapidairproducts.com.
Oh yeah. All right, we're at the Colad booth, and I think I found my new painting jacket, especially for small jobs in our little booth we have. It's pretty bad and bone. I'm loving it.
You kind of look like an egg right now. Thank you. If you're interested in one of these awesome paint suits, you can pick one up online at colad.co.
You seen anything cool yet?
To our right here, I have no idea what this car is. Looks expensive.
SEMA 2021, I think that's gonna do it for us.
Met some amazing people, met some awesome brands, did a lot of networking and a lot of content. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
12 hours of content coming your way.
Don't forget to leave this video a like, comment what your favorite build was, and also don't forget to subscribe.
Boom!
Hit that notification bell now.
Huge thanks to all of our subscribers that tuned into our live stream while we were at SEMA. All the winners from our live stream giveaway will be receiving their autographed Fuel hats very soon.
Thanks to Fuel Clothing for sponsoring this giveaway.
Pick up a hat or a sweet pair of socks at fuelclothing.com.